To on James on Duolingo, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to on James on Duolingo. Now, if you want to on free James on Duolingo, then you just need to make sure that you have installed the Duolingo app and also make sure that you are logged into your Duolingo account. So simply open the Duolingo app and make sure that you are already logged into your account. So you get the free James by completing the lessons and practice. So if you, let's say I have completed this practice and I just got 300 James like this. So if you keep on practicing the lessons and if you keep on completing like this, then they will also give you the experience and they will also give you the free James for it. And the second thing which you can do is that you just need to tap on the chest like icon at the very bottom, and on the day 1 you will be able to get such an amount of James, and on day 2 you will be able to get a chest like this, on day 3 like this. So they will give you a daily gift like this and you will be able to earn James from it also. And the third thing, you may also achieve streaks. So if you click on the option of streaks, you want to streak freezes from a starting streak. So you may also set a streak goals, and if you complete that goal you will be able to achieve the free James. The fourth thing is that you just need to complete the challenge. So if you want to play chess, click on the option of start match, and here you will be able to play the chess like this. And if you play this well and if you complete it, then also you'll be able to earn the James from it. So that's it. That's how you can earn the free James on Duolingo app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.